What's the best heart-healthy lunch? Maintaining heart health through your diet is crucial, as heart disease remains the leading cause of death globally. The American Heart Association highlights that a well-balanced diet can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, with some studies suggesting that making heart-healthy food choices can cut the risk of heart attack by up to 30%. To support cardiovascular health, it's essential to focus on specific dietary components and meal choices. So, what should you include in your lunch to keep your heart in top shape? Watch until the end for tips on making heart-healthy lunches. Key components of a heart-healthy lunch. 1. Whole grains. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread over refined grains. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and supports heart health. 2. Lean proteins. Opt for lean proteins such as chicken breast, turkey, or plant-based options like beans and lentils. These provide essential nutrients without the added saturated fats found in fatty meats. 3. Fruits and vegetables. Fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. They are a source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. 4. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and are good for your heart. 5. Low sodium. Limit your intake of sodium to help manage blood pressure. Opt for fresh or lightly processed foods instead of salty, processed options. Heart-healthy lunch ideas. 1. Grilled chicken salad. Combine grilled chicken breast with a mix of leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado. Top with a dressing made from olive oil and lemon juice. 2. Quinoa and black bean bowl. Mix cooked quinoa with black beans, corn, diced bell peppers, and chopped cilantro. Add a squeeze of lime for extra flavor. 3. Turkey and avocado wrap. Use a whole wheat tortilla to wrap slices of turkey breast, avocado, spinach, and a few slices of tomato. Add a sprinkle of low-fat cheese if desired. 4. Vegetable stir-fry. Stir-fry a mix of vegetables such as broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots in a small amount of olive oil. Serve over brown rice or quinoa and top with a light soy sauce. 5. Lentil soup. Enjoy a bowl of lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Lentils are high in fiber and protein, making them an excellent choice for heart health. 6. Salmon and sweet potato. Bake a piece of salmon with herbs and serve it with roasted sweet potato and a side of steamed green beans. Tips for making heart-healthy lunches. 1. Plan ahead. Prepare your meals in advance to avoid the temptation of grabbing unhealthy options. Cooking in batches can save time and ensure you always have a heart-healthy lunch ready. 2. Watch portion sizes. Eating the right portion sizes helps manage calorie intake and supports overall heart health. Aim for balanced meals that include a variety of nutrients. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports overall health and can help control appetite. 4. Limit added sugars. Avoid foods and drinks high in added sugars, as they can contribute to weight gain and increase heart disease risk. A heart-healthy lunch can be both delicious and nutritious. By including whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, you can create meals that support your heart health and help prevent disease. With a little planning and the right ingredients, you can enjoy a variety of tasty and heart-friendly lunches that keep you feeling satisfied and well-nourished. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel to receive the latest content.